Morning, everybody. Well, we gotta take the mic and a wire brush out to the farm while I am. I got till 9:30, about an hour that I have for my time this morning before I have to start working with Carol. She's doing the watering. She keeps me away from the watering. Says I water too heavy on stuff, and I probably do. But anyway, you know, it is what it is. Let's see here what we can do here. Sorry for the shake up there. There's a good spot there. Yeah. Two clean spots opposite each other. Perfect. We'll see just what this makes. Let's see, I get you guys somewheres near. Yeah, that's going to be handy. It's going to hit on the mic there, but that's all right. We can get it close. Oh. Yeah, I would say that right there is reading an inch, 121 thousandths. So, and I'm not quite back where I belong. So I would say that that's 1 1/8 inches. That's what it's supposed to be. So we're going to make that piece that we're making 1 1/8 inches. And we'll give it 5 thousandths clearance. Yeah, I think that'll work. I say that 3 inch and 1/8. Yeah, because this is a 3 to 4 mic. So anyway, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We'll aim for that 3 1/8. And yeah, always makes you wonder when you see this old red if it's actually from 1950. You know, been in behind a pulley. Could be. So anyway, we'll go inside. We got the converter running, and I have put the boring bar in the tool holder and everything. So we'll see what we can do. And this shop is a mess. I've got chips everywhere. But when I get done this last cut here, let me go get something to stand this on. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Make sure nothing loosened up. Oh, good. Well, I dropped out that shim that I had under that, so it cuts a little better. And we're getting close to our target size. Take a couple of passes and I'll take a measurement. That's looking pretty big. Maybe I'll just do it now. I don't want to oversize. So we got about 1/4 of an inch to take out. Take 50 to a pass. Yeah, we're hitting right on 3 inch, pretty close. We're going to take another 50 thousandths pass, and we'll see where we're at. Guess it's time to go get some actual measuring tools. I'll be back. That one there showed 102 thousandths. So anyway, we're basically 25 thousandths from where we want to be. Take a 25 and see what it does. Well, I got a 1,000th oversized, basically, probably 8/10. I'm actually going to do a spring pass, see if I can get another couple. But before I do that, I'm going to go on out and measure that with a regular set of calipers, something I can get on square, just make sure I'm hitting the right spot. did a measurement with something that would get on there square, and I'm actually 122. I thought I was, actually I guess that's what I got with the other one, but I thought it was crooked, so I was adding a couple, figuring it was an 1/8 inch supposed to be. But this here is supposed to be to the 1/8, and they made the clearance in the hub. So anyway, we're right now, I believe we're 1 thousandths over target size. We're going to call it good. We won't touch a thing. I'm just going to break this edge, and I'll be back in a minute when I get a tool change done. Well, the next process here, which is the difficult one, is seeing if we can't get this thing off of the lathe here. It should weigh quite a lot less than what it did, but it was an arm load when we put it up there. Now let's see, let's put that in neutral. Make sure the jaws are there so I won't get my fingers pinched. Well, it's quite a bit more manageable by weight. Guess we didn't realize how much weight we'd taken out of it, but it's getting pretty thin on this side. Yeah, so anyway. We'll see if we can't get it over at the milling machine, or at least in that area. Yeah. I'll tell you, do I ever have chips to pick up? Bowels of this old girl are full everywhere. So anyway, quite a lot of weight off in it. See what it looks like off the machine here. Yeah, so it came out pretty good. You know, the weld there, you know, it shows a little roughness here and there because I'm not one of those professional welders, but I do know that I weld good enough that it won't come off. So I'll roll this thing over here and I'll show you the other side. Yeah, it actually came out pretty good. So this right here is what the inside looks like. That step that I made original, I frigged up reading them mics, and that's a foolish story. I can show you that later. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Take the grinder and get rid of some of these sharp areas. I think it's pretty well done other than drilling the 4 holes. And I will do that after I get everything deburred and get a spot on the mill for it. Actually, now it won't settle, it won't straddle the vise, so I'll have to take the vise off. And anyway, that'll be the next video, is just finishing it up. Hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you like it. Don't hesitate to subscribe. And glad you stopped in and see the channel. Talk to you later.